Hi, how's it going, you sexy fans? Thanks for joining my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kevin. Welcome. Today I want to do an unboxing video of this SodaStream Fizzi. Alright guys, let's check this box out. So this is a SodaStream Fizzi. This costs about $100. This is a sparkling water maker. Sparkles your waters in seconds. Ooh la la. So this is what the box looks like. We like you too. Ooh, I like you too. Okay, so in this box it comes with sparkling water maker, a CO2 SodaStream cartridge that holds up to 60 liters of CO2, and also comes with a BPA-free reusable carbonating bottle. Assemble time takes 1 minute. Made in Israel. Okay. Honey, I'm home. Okay, this is the water maker. We'll take a look at this first. I got the black colored one. It also comes in many colors like white, red, teal I think, possibly blue. Pretty nice, smooth, modern, sleek design. It's made of plastic, very light. Okay. Now we have the bottle, plastic bottle. Pretty basic. Looks like a mini pod. Now this is the bomb. This is a SodaStream CO2 cylinder. This right here is value about 30% of the total cost of this package. SodaStream offers this program where you exchange a bottle for, I believe, like half the price when you trade it in, when you swap in your old cylinder for a new one. So remember, do not throw out your cylinder. Just remember, you exchange it for a new one and you save half the cost. Inside the box, it also comes with installation guide of the CO2 tank. Looks very easy. Safety guide and a warranty information, and some more information. Let's talk about you. Blah blah blah. Okay guys, now we're in my kitchen. First thing first, remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Okay, next we want to peel off this wrapper. Turn this cap. Okay. Now turn to the back of this device. Take the cover off. Next, you want to put the bottle in the hole like this, like so. And then put it up and turn it clockwise. Nice and firm. Okay, it's in. Now we can close back the cover. That's peasy, easy peasy, I mean. The next thing you should do is wash the bottle. It's not instructed in the instructions, but you should if I were you. I don't think it's clean. After that, we'll fill this bottle with water up to the water line. Oh man, I'm getting thirsty already. Can't wait to try this out. Okay, it's about to the water line. Close enough. Now we are ready to insert the bottle into the SodaStream. I'm going to turn this to its side to show you what it looks like. Insert the bottle at an angle. And then push it straight. Now we are ready to pump some action. We're allowed to pump up to maximum of 7 times at 2 seconds long. But I'm just gonna pump it and see how I feel. You can kind of hear it. This bottle holds 840 milliliters of water. I think that should be good. To take it out, you just tilt it back, and it comes right off just like that. You see the fizz. Now let's try this water. Cheers, guys. Tastes just like club soda. Now if you guys are done filling up your water, it comes with a cap. Just tighten it back on, and now we can store it in the fridge or wherever you like. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.